In this video, I'm going to teach you how to refund purchases on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have made a purchase on your Apple account and you would like to have it refunded, you can do so by visiting a specific site. So all that you have to do is go to reportaproblem.apple.com. You can look for this page on Google or go to this specific URL, reportaproblem.apple.com through a web browser. I'm going to be showcasing how to do this through an iPad view, but of course it is going to work on your iPhone, on a MacBook, whatever device you have. When you visit this website, the very first thing that you will see after you sign in with your Apple account are going to be these prompts, where you will specify what you want to do and the reasoning behind it. So in here, first, tap the first option and then select Request a Refund. You have some other things that you can report, so quality issues, scam or fraud, or abusive, illegal content, and so on. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to be focusing on the first one. When you choose Request a Refund, tap Next, and then you can specify why you want to get this refund. You don't have to lie, just be genuine, and the chances that it will grant you the refund are going to be high. So some examples will include: I didn't mean to buy this, a child or minor made this purchase without permission, I didn't mean to sign up for a subscription, and so on. Once again, after you select the proper reasoning, just tap Next. And finally, you will see a list of all the purchases that have been made on your Apple account. They will be sorted by date, so for example, a purchase in March, a purchase in January, and so on. You will see the total amount of this specific purchase at the right, and if it is the one that you would like to get a refund for, you just tick this field here, and then tap Submit. It might take some time, even some days, because Apple will have to analyze this claim, and if they notice that it is a real claim, they will give you the refund. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.